Stop spending hours designing UI screens. Now you can generate the same designs in minutes just using prompts. Google just launched an AI tool that can design apps for you, and it dropped at Google I/O 2025. It's called Google Stitch, a new experimental AI tool from Google that turns your ideas into UI designs instantly. Stitch was officially introduced on the 20th of May 2025, and it's part of Google's big push into AI-powered development tools. You just type what you want, and Stitch generates the entire UI layout, colors, components, all in seconds. Here's what makes it powerful: text to UI generation, mobile and web layouts, clean modern UI, and works with tools like Figma. Just prompt, generate and build. But it's still early, experimental and limited access. If this evolves, UI design might become as easy as writing a prompt. Would you use AI to design your apps?